Instagram just introduced one of their most anticipated updates yet. Now, users can layer photos on their Instagram stories, which means more opportunities to get creative and showcase your brand style. And today, we're showing you how to get it done. Start by opening the Instagram app, then select an image that you want as your main focal point. It doesn't need to be neatly arranged just yet. Head to the Stickers tab and scroll until you find the image sticker. Once you've selected an image, and in our case, an image that's suitable as a background, it'll appear on your story. Here comes the magic. Hold down the image and drag it up or down to enable the layering feature. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the layer indicator, which will let you know where the selected image is currently located in the layers. And over on the right-hand side, you'll see the padlock button, which will lock your layers in place so that they don't move around as you continue to edit your story. And that's it. We've been seeing creators and brands experimenting with this feature, and so far, we're only seeing positive reviews. Let us know what you think of this feature, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest social media news and updates. Catch you later.